Hi, my name is Monica Lund, and I am going to be showing you my cell diagram that I have here. So as you can see, first I have my cell with all of the organelles inside, and I decided to make a diagram of each of the organelles and kind of show sort of the placement in the cell. The first one we'll go to is the ribosomes. They can be free floating around the cell, as you can see, in the cytoplasm, or attached to the rough ER. They produce peptides and proteins along with reading genetic material, and we'll learn about the rough ER in just a moment. The next thing is the nucleus, which you can see right here. The nucleus holds the DNA. It controls the cell activity. It's surrounded by a bilayer membrane called the nuclear envelope, and it provides the structure and framework, providing the structure and the framework of the nucleus. Then we have the endoplasmic reticulum. I think I'm saying that right, the ER. You have a smooth and the rough. The rough ER, which you can see here with the ribosomes on it, represented in orange, has ribosomes around it. The main protein productivity and transporting is what that does. The smooth ER detoxifies cytoplasm. One fun fact I found out too is that these cells are very abundant in your liver, and there's no ribosomes attached to that one. Then when you go into here, you see the Golgi complex right here, and it finishes off proteins and synthesizes carbs. The Golgi vesicles transport products out of the cell. And those are the little round circles there that you see. Then you have these little oval shapes, which you can see here is the mitochondria. It runs on sugar and oxygen to make ATP, also known as the energy cell. And then we'll have the lysosomes right here. I'm not really good at pronouncing, so I'm trying my best, but the lysosomes, they travel through the cell and break down unwanted materials. White blood cells break down bacteria inside the cell and liver and release glucose into the blood. And they're bubble-like structures that contain digestive enzymes. You can see them right there in the cell. Then you have peroxisomes. They resemble like lysosomes in their their similar structure. They help detoxify cortisol and are produced by the endoplasmic reticulum. I need to learn how to pronounce that one. Then you have, or I'm sorry, I was reading the wrong one. I wrote a script, I'm sorry. I'm talking about the mitochondria. They are known as the powerhouse of the cell. That's what I was trying to read. Let's see here. Then we have the centrales. They're short cylinder assembly of microtubules, which you can see there as well. They're found in pairs. They're usually used in cell division. They're perpendicular to one another, and they ensure that the cell divides equally. So that is my cell structure and my organelles. I actually really enjoyed this assignment and felt like I learned a lot just by drawing the diagram and reading up on each organelle. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, just feel free to leave any comments. Thank you.